You can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars using this simple Google trick. That's right, you can earn money simply by using simple sites online. If you guys are interested in utilizing my method, stay tuned to find out. This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the internet and several sites to your advantage to earn money. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Step number 1. So let's start with step 1, which is going to news.google.com. In step number 2, that's going to send you to Google News, which is a news aggregator that was made by Google. There you can find all the most recent news stories from all over the world. These different categories are on the left-hand side, and they also include your country, the news in your area, the world as a whole, and so on. You can also see the categories for business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health on this side. Here you can go to business and see all of the news about business in your country or all over the world. Here is the third step. Every few hours, these news stories will be updated. In this case, they will be about business. For example, 1 hour after this one was put up, the next one was, and so on and so forth. You can see them all right here. Then you can open any of these articles and use them to make money on the internet. A flight with Jeff Bezos on board Blue Origin's New Shepard sold for $28 million. We're going to use that one as an example. Now all we have to do is click on this specific piece of text. We'll then go to this page. Here is the whole article that you can use to make money, which I'll show you how to do. In this step, I want you to copy this text. If you want to see how this works, I'm just going to copy 2 sentences from an article that I found on Google News. This will show you how this works and how you can make money from these articles. Step number 4. Now for the 4th step, all you need to do is go to quillbot.com and sign up. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will help you rewrite those articles in a way that looks good, so you can use them again and again to make money on the internet for no charge. In order to do this, you will need to copy and paste your article into this box. Then click Paraphrase, and it's going to rewrite the whole thing. If you like, you can have everything done for free. That's how it works. You can see in this picture that we have the original article on top and rephrased article on the bottom. The original article is now unique and ready to be used. It's now easy for me to copy this rephrased article with one click of a button, so I can use it to earn money online. In the same way, you can do this for all of the different types of articles that are available in Google News, which are coming in every few hours. Each of these articles can make you money again and again. After this video, I will give you free bonuses that will make you even more money, so stay tuned. You can now move on to step number 5. There are 2 ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. People from all over the world have made tens of thousands of dollars thanks to the second one. The first one isn't going to make you that much money, but the second one can. Now, textbroker.com is the first and least expensive way to get money for your work. Textbroker.com works with a lot of big companies like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and so on. That's what this platform will do for you. Now keep in mind that there is no need to write those articles yourself because you can get them written for you for free with just one click of a button by using a simple Google trick to make money online. This is what I just showed you. It's very simple. You just need to go to textbroker.com and click on I write content right here to start writing content. The next page will tell you more about how to make money writing for TextBroker. It doesn't cost anything to sign up for TextBroker and start making money by writing different articles today. Right now, go to the payment section and click on more information. You can figure out how much money you will be making. People who write 1,000 words make $50. You can also find a lot of articles here that are 1,000 words long on Google News, which is true. So the longer the article is, the more money it makes. For 12,000 words, you can make up to $600. The best thing is that you can do it again and again. But keep in mind that this won't make you as much money as the second way to make money with free articles. To get started with Text Broker, click on Free Author Registration right here. Sign up for a free account and start making money with your articles. Freelancing websites like Fiverr, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru, and more can help you make money from your free articles. You can use these websites to make money from your articles. There are a lot of freelancing websites that you can use, not just Fiverr. If you use more of them, you can make a lot more money. It means that if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you can make 10 times as much money as before. Then, if you only sell your articles on one website, that's the only way that you can make money from those articles. It's a good idea to go to Fiverr.com and search for article writing. That's going to show you all of these people who are making money just by writing simple articles. It's because they are doing it on their own that they are doing it the hard way. It takes them a long time and a lot of work to write those articles because of that. And people don't like to wait. I mean, no one likes to wait around. As a result, you will be 10 steps ahead of all your competitors because you can deliver those articles almost instantly. This means that you will earn more money than them because you will be 10 steps ahead of them. And you can see that it works. A lot of people have generated tons of sales just by doing this. These are all proof that it works. There are a lot of people who make a lot of money by writing simple articles. And this is just on one freelancing site called Fiverr, which is a very competitive one, so this is just one example. The more freelancing websites you use, the more you will be able to get more money for your work. This method is very easy and it's free. I like that it works all over the world as well. And that is it, you guys. That is exactly how you can earn money by using these sites and platforms. What do you guys think? Will you be utilizing the method we showed you in this video? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always, our channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh content that aids you to achieve the lifestyle you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.